Okay, so today we're going to be looking at gold, and I did do a little bit of analysis on the weekend for my Discord server. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to explain to you all on my YouTube channel, and for the people that have already seen this, this analysis on why I said that and what my next moves are for gold. Now this is one of the most anticipated video that a lot of people love watching. So I'm going to continue doing gold videos, but I know that a lot of people have messaged me saying they want to see GBP JPY, GBP USD, and US30. Those are the three pairs at the moment that a lot of people are asking me to do, so I will do that sometime this week or sometime by this month. Again, I don't actually look at US30 as much, but we will still do some sort of analysis. I did start off doing analysis just on the currency pairs that I do, but as you know, we are growing as a community. I know you all need to see analysis for your pairs as well, which I am going to try and do as soon as possible. Now, just looking at gold, gold has been one of my favorite pairs for the past 2-3 years, and we're back to making consistent wins again, and being very, very consistent with the way the market's moving. Now, if you look at my old previous video, we predicted some key levels. Again, I did break it all down on my Discord server, and it smashed every single key level. Did exactly what we said, and I think we've been doing that for the past 2-3 weeks now with gold. Just hitting the right targets, placing the right entries, and everyone on my Discord server are making lovely profit. Now, I'm not saying that they're making lovely profit just by me. They're also doing their own analysis. I don't really send any signals, but the analysis does help. So if you are struggling making profit, do check out the Discord server, link in the description below. If not, you can always DM me on Instagram at MullerFX Academy, and you can follow me there as well, where I post loads of videos, a lot of help, a lot of motivation videos as well, and it's just building a community for Forex traders basically. But back onto this video now, looking at gold, we have got new key levels. I really love these three key levels at the moment. It's 1984, 1958 and 1932, and at the moment I feel like price is heading towards the 1932 mark. I know that this Fibonacci that I drew out, I'm going to explain to you why I drew out this Fibonacci, but this Fibonacci that I drew out only goes up to 1942, which again is a nice trade, but again, I'm just going to be patient. I haven't actually placed a trade yet. It is on Monday morning, but I'm going to show you exactly what my moves are going to be. So just closing up this Fibonacci retracement, we can see that I already got this red arrow signifying that we're looking for some sells, and you can see that it was a bit condensed, but what's happened is we were here on the weekend and price started, and it started very, very bullish for gold. We went up really, really strong, but price couldn't go above this area right here that we've created, right? It couldn't break levels. It's tried once, twice, and now 3 times, and it couldn't break this level, which is kind of interesting. It's 1968, and it's interesting because price couldn't do that for a while. Even over here, price couldn't really break past here. Every time price went there, we saw a huge push to the downside. Now again, we're seeing the exact same thing. So could this signify that price is going to break levels and continue to the downside? Well, last week we were biased on sells, and this week again I'm still biased on sells. Price hasn't showed me anything, any reason to go to the upside. Price hasn't shown me any break of structure. Price hasn't, yes, it's above the moving average, but it's above the moving average to a certain extent and then smashes right down. You can see that we're very slow with price moving towards the upside, but when it comes down, we're very, very quick. You can see we're very, very quick over here. Again, this was, I think, NFP day. We had a really, really strong downwards push and upwards push as well. But we had, sorry, not NFP day, this was on a Wednesday, sorry, but we had really, really strong pushes to the downside and upside. Again, price still didn't break levels. So it just shows me, this shows me another reason why I am biased on sells. Now at the moment, price has smashed one of my order zones, meaning that I'm waiting for price to retrace back to that order zone and to show me that we can enter trades. So what I'm looking at the moment, if I go on the 15-minute chart, okay, is I'm waiting for price to make his way back up, Okay, I'm waiting for price to do its thing, make its way back up, retrace a little bit, because obviously when we see some sort of break of structure, we can see over here, we've seen lovely break of structure, When we see break of structure, that shows that, you know, price is heading towards the downside. We're looking for a retracement from this break of structure. Now, just to show you, let's just say, for example, this is the lowest point. Price doesn't break this point. We'll draw a Fibonacci from the top all the way to the bottom, right? Let's just say, for example, this is where price just doesn't break. This is a level where this doesn't break. What happens? Price is at our 50% extension. That shows to me that, you know, price could make its way back to the order zone. It could retrace. Again, looking at this trend line, price might come down to its trend line. Again, if it does that, again, it's still between our 50 to 61.8 extension, which is a really, really nice area to, you know, continue the sells. So again, we're just waiting for price to start showing some retracement. At the moment, price is heading towards the downside. Once I see price moving up towards the 1958, we are looking, sorry about this, guys. We are looking for price to go downwards, which we would sell. And my stop loss would be above probably these highs over here, but again, we'll see what the highs are created above this moving average for sure, which is only around 50 pips, but our take profit would target all the way down to here. Okay, reason why I'm trading down here and not following the trend line, again, I don't know what price is doing at this trend line yet. Again, it could just bounce up, retrace, and then continue to the downside. But this is what what I'll be saying is, we need to have take profit 1, which is 123 pips, and take profit 2, which is around almost 200 pips. Now that's really good for the week. Now, a lot of traders ask me, you know, a lot of Forex traders, a lot of people in the Discord say, do I trade for 200 pips? No, I actually don't. I don't trade 200 pips. What I do is when I'm trading, I have multiple orders and I have take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3 maybe. Most of the time it's only take profit 1 or take profit 2. And what I do is because I'm still growing an account, I you know, when price hits a huge amount of pips, let's say around 100 pips, I close my trades, or let's say around 50 to 100 pips, I close my trade, wait for another retracement, and just continue. But the reason why I draw this out for YouTube and for my Discord server is because it signifies that, look, these are where I'm placing sells. In this green area is where I'm placing sells. Where the red area is as well, I will be placing sells as well. But anything above this area or below this area, I'm not interested in. So this shows me an area where I'm interested in, and it shows me that, okay, I can trade within this area. Okay, so again, I have done this all, I have broken this down on the Discord server, but again, I wanted to explain to you lot on a Monday morning what gold could be heading towards, and let's see how it goes throughout the week. Again, USD can be very weak, and, you know, gold can show strength, but we need to just wait. At the moment, USD is, you know, showing strength, gold is showing weakness, but again, we need to see it's only just the start of the week. So anyway, guys, I hope you lot enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe if you like the way I analyze this chart, you like any of my old videos, or if you haven't checked out my channel, go check it out, subscribe, like this video, and follow my Instagram, and check out my Discord server. It's all completely free at the moment. Once I get to 100 people, I will not be taking any more people into my Discord server, and, you know, you're gonna have to wait for another opening for the Discord server. So make sure you get into the Discord server before it hits the goal that I have for my Discord server. Other than that, guys, I hope you lot enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next breakdown.